Workflows is basically for the corporates, and wherein there are multiple levels and multiple flows wherein we need to take the approvals. The fifth thing is the collaborations. It is like collaboration between the different teams, between different hierarchies. So all the coordinations, communications, and collaboration happen in the collaboration module. The fifth module is report, like the sixth module is the reports and analytics. So report and analytics is a vital module for CRM. So any good CRM application should have this six features. A complete CRM package will be having all these six features. So sales and marketing automation is one vital part. Customer contact management, wherein you can go ahead and keep all your contact details of your customers, so that at least you can have omni-channel communication established through the CRM tools. Complete help desk services. So in case if there is some services and you want continuous interventions with your customers and consumers, so you need to have a service desk implemented. It can be a standalone service desk, it can be a social media service desk, but yeah, the CRM tool should be capable of handling the service request impact. Apart from that, there is a live chat system for better customer service. So wherein the customer can, we can expect the customer to come around and they can have a live chat system with the company, which gives them a proper handling of the queries and the services. Okay. Just to check it out, I have listed 5 major CRM application or tools which are currently in available. HubSpot is one of them. So if I'm clicking on HubSpot, I will be getting it. It's a free CRM tools. Many of these applications can start free, and as in when you go deep into that part, so you will be getting more premium packages. It is in the freemium model. So HubSpot is one of the cloud applications which are good for mid and large size enterprise. Then the second one is Salesforce. Salesforce, perhaps today, Salesforce.com, or shortly we say it as SFDC. This SFDC application is a very, very prominent cloud applications for cloud system provider. And it is perhaps one of the best of the world, in fact. So they have multiple modules for customer support, customer management, contact management, emailers, like whatever one do you want, Salesforce is available. But yeah, when it comes to the cost, Salesforce is a bit costlier in comparison to HubSpot. The third one is Engage Bay. So Engage Bay, not much heard, but yeah, this is actually having all-in-one CRM applications, which can help you to do your marketing, do your sales, manage your customers, have your analysis part. So there are multiple marketing automation products, free CRMs. So there are a lot of things, in fact, and the best feature is 360-degree customer view. So there is a 360-degree customer view wherein like you can forecast the sales, in fact, in advance. And apart from that, this 360-degree view helps in customer retentions a lot. The fourth one is Zoho. Zoho is built in India, and we all know that we have Zoho has been prominently a very good company. In fact, a lot of modules are already available in Zoho. So if I'm going ahead with the Zoho part, so Zoho CRM, so they are actually one of the leader for CRM, and they have more or less all the modules available. The fifth one is Fresh Sales. So Fresh Sales is again a Indian origin startup, but started at US, and it has latestly been listed, in fact. So this company has been doing really good actually, and there are something called as Fresh Sales Suite, which is sales and marketing CRM, and there is only a CRM module which you can take it up. And the best part is like you can start up free. So you can easily go ahead and start using these applications, and you can automate your processes for CRM. So roughly saying the CRM tools, we have highlighted these 5 tools: HubSpot, Salesforce, Engage Bay, Zoho, and Fresh Sales. So any of these tools you can easily start with a free module, and then you can go to a premium one. See how your campaigns, how your accounts, your marketing, your sales, your workflows are getting managed into the tools. So these are good to have tools within an organization. Now, coming to the second aspect, which is like social media marketing or SMM tools, in fact. So social media marketing, we all have been hearing about the social media world. So social media is not only about, Facebook or LinkedIn or any of the social media platform that we are using. What generally happen is like when we are a big enterprise and we are deeply into social, managing the social media applications will be a difficulty, because if you have attended my previous session, I have also mentioned that, okay, some posts in Facebook has to be shared within 2:30 to 4:30. There is a particular time of that post, and you need to be unique over all the platforms, and there should be a, as a matter of fact, the brand should be individually present over all the platforms, and it should have the same message across the platform, which generally is difficult to manage, because due to the time constraint, something will be scheduled in the night time, something will be done in the daytime, in the afternoon time, and lot of communication, lot of contents are supposed to get generated by the companies. So it is very difficult in the later phase, like maybe a 6 month or 7 month down the line. If you have started social media activities, it will be difficult for your social media to manage. You cannot go to all the individual platforms, and you cannot see your performance on all the individual platform, and it is quite hectic. So I have listed these 5 tools which are very vital, in fact. So the major aspect of social media management tool is to manage your social media effectively. All the communication, all the publishing, all the social media channels, at least they get integrated in a single applications. All these applications like Sprout Social, Buffer, Hootsuite, Social Pilot, Map Socials. So these are the 5 impactful, or the majority of the applications in the market. So you can choose any one of them. What they will be helping you out, they will be helping you out to manage your posts. They will be going ahead with the managing the engagement. They will be having online reputation management systems. They will be having the analysis, which is which posts are better, which posts are performing well, and they will be helping you out. Like it is a single platform to manage all your social media channels. So if you go ahead and see some of this Sprout Social, what the claim is, like a powerful solution for a social media management. So this application help you in understanding your audience, which automatically do the listening part, the social listening, the social publishing, the social engagement, the social analytics, and social advocacy. So these are the 5 different parts of social listening and social media management. So a single applications wherein all your social media management can get connected. So you can see, if I'm just zooming in, you can see your networks. In fact, the Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, YouTube, Tumblr, web, everything is getting connected into a single part. And you have a better hold and a grab over your social media channel. So this is about Sprout Social. So when it comes to the pricing part of the Sprout Social, a standard pricing of $89 per month, which includes your 5 social media profile. If you have 10 social media profile, you can choose the premium plan, professional plans. You can go ahead, you can choose it. Similarly, there is another application which is perhaps one of the market leader as of now, which is Buffer. Buffer is a age-old application. It has been there in the market since almost 10, 12 years as of now. And it helps you to grow your audience in the social media and much beyond. So when you talk about the tools part, it again has the publishing. You can plan, you can collaborate, you can publish your content. It has the analysis of the social media, each and every social media channel, how you are performing. You can have curated reports. You can use that report in your meetings, and this will be giving you a beautiful analysis and dashboard about your social performances, in fact. The third tool that they have is the engagement part, wherein they can quickly navigate your comment and engage with your audience. So all the multiples, just imagine a scenario, you have thousands of posts. In thousands of posts, you have lakhs of comments. And from that comments, they can analyze the comment. They have NLPs, in fact, they have sentiment analysis over there, and they can choose the bad comment, positive comments, neutral comments, and accordingly they can automatically put up your responses on top of it, which which is very difficult for a manual team to do. And apart from that, they are also providing landing pages, wherein you can create landing pages for your campaigns, for your specific intentions to start a landing page, and you can create and publish that landing page, and you can try to convert audiences from that landing pages. The next tool is Hootsuite. Again, Buffer and Hootsuite goes hand in hand. Hootsuite is perhaps one of the enterprise tools, in fact. And when it comes to Hootsuite, again, social media marketing, social selling. So if you're planning for an e-commerce part, if you're planning for a D2C brand, if you're planning for an OTC selling of your product, so Hootsuite has an inbuilt application for social selling. So they will be helping you out into understanding the contents and understanding the keywords, and then perhaps they will be having they will be enabling your sales representative to find and nurture the leads, so that at least the selling can happen over the social network. And definitely companies, there is a statistics, in fact, company using Hootsuite, they have seen 34% more revenue from the social channel, in fact. Customer care. So if you are planning sooner or later, any point of time, if you are planning to go ahead and start a customer-centric customer care or a back office setup, you can unify all your customer service channels over here, and you can also have the social media getting integrated into the customer support systems. Employee advocacy, it is making the employee it is easy for the employees to share the company's post in the social network. So it is something like, once the social media you have 1,000 employees, and you are putting up your social media post from your corporate account, and it is something like all your employees can collaborate over Hootsuite. They can also put it into their public networks, into their personal networks, in fact, and the post sharing and the resharing can easily happen. And the admin sitting in the office, in your head office, can see that what is the share, what is the engagement level of that employees post. And it is actually for the making a post viral and making a post shareable and reaching out to more people, in fact. Then the social commerce. Social commerce is specifically for the e-commerce company. So anyway, this is a untouched field at this point of time. So I have not seen many pharma companies having their e-commerce channel, apart from some Ayurvedic companies, in fact. So if you have an e-commerce or you're planning for an e-commerce, Hootsuite is actually very useful to generate leads, convert the nurture the leads, convert the leads, continuously engage with your leads, and then perhaps drive the sales. And this is silent selling, in fact. Uh, the next one is Social Pilot. Many people must not have heard about this Social Pilot. Again, the tool has a very good, amazing features, in fact. So they have social media scheduling. So in fact, you can schedule your entire month or entire year post in one go. And whatever time you can have, you can schedule it. So the post will be posted into that particular social media network from your handle at that particular time, in fact. There is a social media calendar. This is a content calendar, which I was talking about in my previous session. So content calendar creation. So you will be understanding like what type of content you need to publish on a day-to-day basis. So that is the calendar will be giving you a calendar view, so that you are already on top of your content's publishing part. There is something called as bulk scheduling. You can also have your bulk post scheduled to the social media part. And once the schedule is done, so you don't have to worry about posting it on a daily basis. There is something called the content curation part. So this is actually, content management along with social media management. This tool serves both the purposes, in fact. This is a less known tool, and when it comes to pricing and comparison with Hootsuite and Buffer, it is quite economical in that aspect. So content curation is like when you are creating any content, you can curate the content according to your customer need. You can have the personalizations. You can have content proofreading over here done by your teams. Apart from that, RSS feed automations is there, wherein like you can have RSS feeds over the all the posts. It can be shared into multiple channels, in fact. Apart from that, it also provide a browser extensions. So it is not a cloud applications or something. So it is a cloud application, but yeah, it also provide a browser extensions wherein like you can put it in your browsers and you can quickly start scheduling your posts. Apart from that, the collaboration part, it has client management, team management. The client management can already happen. So client management is something for the digital marketing agencies, wherein they can have multiple clients. It is not relevant with pharma industry at this point of time. But your team management is something wherein you can involve your marketing, your sales teams, or your digital team, your strategies teams to come under one application, discuss, collaborate, and then create beautiful content which are shareable in the social media. There is something called a social inbox. So we all know about the mail inbox. Social inbox is something like if anybody is commenting on any of the posts on any of the channels, so you have a one inbox for all your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, everything. So in that inbox, you get to know about all the relevant notifications or the engagement happening in entire social media for your brands, for your posts. Facebook advertisement, which I believe that many companies will start it directly from the Facebook. But yeah, Facebook advertisement native ads can also get published from social pilots. Analytics is there, so you can have multiple analytics, and it is a white label solution. So in fact, if you white label solution is not like if you don't want to use the name social pilot, you can take it out, you can customize these tools, and you can use it according to your need. Then another tool is Map Social. So it is actually an old tool. In fact, it is not new, but the thing is like they have changed a lot at this point of time. So this is actually a publishing, advertising, engagement, review management, and all the reporting from one centralized platform. They have tried to grab many things. So if you go ahead with the quick features, again, the scheduling and automation, engagement with the audiences, advertisements, report, collaborations, content curation, and digital asset management. So they have one thing called as digital asset management, which is your document management part. So whenever there is a post, whenever there is a content getting created from the company, it is called as a digital assets for the companies. So they have a dashboard, they have a page specific to all your content getting managed. You can understand when that content was published, who was owning that content, who created that content. So this content management get easier as a document management system, which is Map Social features. But yeah, if you need it, you can choose for Map Social. But apart from that, Buffer, Hootsuite, Social Pilot, Sprout Social, these are all good applications for social media marketing. Okay. Going to the next part. Now, coming to the SEO part, we already had a session about SEO. So SEO must not be a buzzword or a jargon as of now. SEO is something like very familiar. Everybody is knowing SEO. So SEO stands for search engine optimization, wherein like when you create a content, everybody who create a content, who create a page, they want the Google or the search engines to rank their page on a higher rank. So at least with respect to the keywords, in fact. So these are the different good tools available at this point of time, like Ahref, SCMRush, Moz, and Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free to use tool. So wherein like you get all your analytics, all your performance report according to the Google search engine. You get to know about the keywords, you get to know about the visitors, you get to know about the geographies, timing, lot of insights, how your tool, how your page or how your website is performing on Google. Similarly, when you come to Ahref, it is actually one of the best tool available in the market, and it has been the preferred tool for many of the digital marketers till now. So when you come to the tool, they have Site Explorer, Keyword Explainers, apart from that, Site Audit, Rank Trackers, and Content Explorer. So these, they help in creating a good brand of the page. You get a unique dashboard to see what all are the traffic, analyze the traffics of your website or your contents, and you can have multiple backlinks to your site from trusted sources through Ahref. If you are targeting a particular keyword, just for an example, suppose you are going ahead and targeting diabetes. Diabetes is something like lot and lot of articles, millions and millions of contents are already available with respect to diabetes. So this keyword explorer will help you finding out winning keywords, like those keywords wherein the searches are there, but the content quality is not good. So they will be suggesting you for the keyword ideas, and they have a completely industry-based database. They usually crawl in a daily basis, and they have this capacity of suggesting you with the keywords where you can rank higher, in fact. The site audit is very important. In fact, for SEO, there is something like called as, in the SEO session, I have already mentioned, which is white label SEO, gray label SEO, or off-page SEO and on-page SEO. So the website, how it is designed, what language, what technology it has been using, and what server it has been using. So it is very vital for a website to go ahead and run a report, in fact. Okay, if you want, I can, at the end of the session, we can just go ahead and create a report of any of your website, anybody. If you are voluntarily asking, we can see like what all are the different aspect of site audits, in fact. Apart from that, rank tracker is something like Google ranks, when the page have a page rank, actually starting from 0 to 10, and the more the rank, the better the visibility, in fact. So it helps you in increasing page rank. So Ahref has been a very, very tremendous tool and the number one choice for Ahref is SCMRush. SCMRush is hello, Swati? Audible, Swati?
Yes, Saurav, you're audible. Just asking you to switch off your video to save the bandwidth.
Okay, okay. Because I just got a notification that the connection is unstable. Sorry for that. Okay. SCMRush, when you go to the features of SCMRush, so you will be having all your features like keyword research, on-page SEO, competitor analysis, content marketing, local SEO, rank tracking, social media management, link building. So these are all the features of the tools, in fact, and these all features are very, very important for any website to rank on Google or any of the search engine. So if you want to target any particular keyword, so you need to go ahead with the keyword research. You can find how many traffics are coming into that keywords. These all are inbuilt tools in SCMrush to do that. However, these all are also available in Ahref. You can have like, you can segregate it as per the contents. So content part, content marketing, content creation and distribution, content optimization, and content marketing analysis. So we all are talking about content disking, and we need to create content if you are doing it manually, because you need to ideate the content, you need some idea about the content, and you never know that whether whatever content you are creating, whether it will going to rank or not. So these all applications related to SEO comes handy when you are not certain about the content ideas or how you are writing the content and how this content will rank in Google. So when you're in a state of dilemma, you can come down to this, you can use this tool for your rescue. This will help you in the content marketing. They will be developing a content strategy automatically as per your industry with the competitor analysis. Then they will be helping you in the content creation part, where they will be saying you that, okay, these all keywords are having this much traffic. You need to create this type of contents to stay relevant and get discoverable when any audience is searching the similar keyword in internet. And then the distribution part. So when it comes to the distribution, it is something like how to distribute that content, where to publish that content. Either it should be a blog, it should be a video, or it should be audio, infographics. So these all things will be suggested by the tool. In fact, content optimizations. So how to optimize your content? So what will be the optimal length of the content? How should be the keyword like how to manage the keyword distribution in the content? So these all things will be coming handy with the tools. And obviously the marketing analysis of the content. So once your content is published, how it has been marketed, how well it has been marketed, what are the scopes of improvements, this tools comes handy when it comes to the analytics part. So similarly, Moz is another one. So it is something like there are free SEO tools for Moz. So Link Explorer, Keyword Explorer, Domain Analysis, Moz Bar, more free tools. These all tools comes handy with the Moz part. And when it comes to Moz is actually cost effective in comparison to Ahref SCMRush. Anyway, Google Search Console, which is getting used in multiple digital marketing teams. So Google Search Console is absolutely free, in fact. Okay. Now coming to the next section, which is landing page creation. I have already touch base upon landing page, sales page, the difference between a website, a microsite. So if you have been attending the sessions till now, we understand like it is a separate page apart from the website, which is focused on a particular campaign or a particular objective. Its lifespan is starting from 1 month to 3 months or 5 months, depending upon the campaign. So these are temporary pages wherein you want to provide all your information specific to a particular campaign to the audiences. But creating these landing pages will be requiring a lot of efforts, in fact, and technical knowledge. So now these companies like WordPress, Wix, Insta Page, Get Response, Unbounce, Lead Pages, these are some good landing page creators wherein you don't need to have any technical knowledge. You can just drag and drop, click on the aspects, whatever sections you want. If you have a content ready, they will be helping you out into building your landing page within minutes, in fact. And you can publish them in your main pages. Just for an example, we are going ahead with the lead pages. Landing page plays a very vital role in converting the customers from visitor to a customer, in fact. So landing pages, there are different protocols, there are different policies, in fact, how to create it. There are different methods of creating landing page. But just for this sales page, you can just look into this animation wherein you can just go out with the pages, the layout, the colors. You can click, you can drag, you can add it up, the different segments, and you can preview it, you can publish it. You will be getting your landing pages done. So at this point of time, there are companies who are creating landing pages for brands, who are creating landing pages for the campaigns. The volume is quite low as of now, irrespective of e-commerce industries or the direct selling industries. These industries has been selling and they have been winning over the landing pages. In fact, we are expecting to see lot of landing pages coming from different division, different brands from a companies, and there will be a lot of landing pages in futures. So to keep the process cost effective, to keep it simple, in fact, so because whenever there is an idea coming from the marketing team and getting that created into a page, you need to have a lot of collaboration with the tech team and others. So this landing page helps the marketer himself to go ahead and design the page as the way he want. So this is one example of lead pages, one of the most used one. Insta Pages is also very handy and very good, in fact. So Insta Pages, actually, you can have multiple templates. Click on the templates, you will be getting on the templates, and you can create your landing pages all static, and you can have different functions, click to actions on that landing pages. And you can have detailed, as per your interest, you can go ahead, you can search this tools, you can go to the pricing, you can see, you can use it for a free period, you can explore it more. The next thing is in the landing page creation is get response. So get response, it is actually like a very good sales. We use it as an email marketing tool, but yeah, they have multiple options like landing page creation, sign up form creations, lead funnels creations, segmentation of the customer. When it comes to the communication part, they have marketing automations, they have email marketing, they have SMS marketing, they have push notifications, which is web push notifications. Apart from that, they have pop-ups and forms, website builder, conversion funnels, and multiple webinars. You can also go ahead in the webinars part. So get response is widely used, in fact, for landing page creations and for conversions and nurturing of the audiences. Apart from that, Wix, Weebly, and WordPress, these are three old aged tools going on with lot of updates and lot of website currently, like almost you can say that 40 to 50% of the website currently working on the WordPress. WordPress are open source applications. Wix is a premium applications wherein you have to purchase the Wix template and then you can convert it into your there is a Wix builder also. So in the Wix builder, you can create your website or landing pages in fact. WordPress is completely open source and it is an open source application content management system. It's a CMS wherein you can have the WordPress used as a blog, used as a website, used as applications. So WordPress is one of the most widely used and free to use application, but you have to develop that skills for WordPress to get the most out of it in fact. The next vital aspect of internet marketing, digital marketing is email marketing automations. So when it comes to email, many companies has been betting, and there is a lot of debates going around like whether email marketing is beneficial or not, whether email marketing is converting or not. I have been consulting multiple companies on email marketing, pharma companies. I have been constantly listening to one part is like email marketings are although cheaper, but it is not getting open. The open rate is very low. The open rate is not there. So if I'm sending it to 100 people, only 7 people or 10 people are opening it, and there is like 1 or 2 people taking actions. But the beauty of email marketing is like the price of email marketing. So email marketing is a silent marketing wherein it can go, you can broadcast your emails, you can have transactional emails, you can have promotional emails going to the customers. If at all they are putting it on spam, if at all they are not opening it, it also create a silent brand image. It is a brand recall part. And study, we recently got a study for the email marketing campaign globally. So all the SaaS companies are software as a service, in fact. So this has been the best industry for high ticket, high volume sales, in fact. And email marketing has been providing at least 33 to 34% of the revenue, entire revenue of the company. When it comes to our companies also, like MyRx and along with the PharmaState also, we also heavily depend upon the email marketing part. So personalization of the email, sending it to broadcasting the email to multiple people, getting awareness done over the email. So email has been one of the preferred channel for us, and it is the most cost effective. A single email costs you somewhat between 5 paisa to 10 paisa max, in fact. So email, there are different type of emails wherein like transactional emails are there. So if there is some transactions or you want to get anything notified to your users, this is something like the transactional email marketing will be coming on place. If you want to have cold email getting sent to your customers, to your prospects, in fact, you can have that email marketing tools handy with you. So there are the 6 email marketing tools. Although there are plenty and plenty of email marketing tools available as of now, the things that we need to understand about email marketing is like many companies, they usually say that we will be charging the email on delivery aspect. So they will be dispatching the email and they will be calculating the bill according to number of emails sent. There are companies which say that emails which are landed only in inbox, we will be charging for that. So it is on delivery part. So delivery model, it is generally like if you send 1,000 of email, 300, 400 email will bounce, and it will be like 600 or 700 emails will be landing. So in fact, instead of 5 paisa, they will be charging 7 paisa or 8 paisa. And that is more useful and that is more beneficial in a long run. And it will help you in, keeping your email records or keeping your email data afresh. So email marketing, MailChimp is one of the most popular, in fact, at this point. It has been doing good since ages, but MailChimp has, after the acquisition with Intuit, the pricing of MailChimp has risen significantly, in fact. So that is the reason I have listed down Constant Contact, Send in Blue, Active Content, Active Campaign, ConvertKit, and Litmus. Let us just go ahead and see any one of them. So this is only to provide you like what all are the different features available for email marketing. Why Constant Contact, email marketing, grow your audience faster, and they have a free plan. Along with that, they have a paid plans also. You can have your email automations done. So once you can have a drip created for it, wherein like, if else statements can be written. So if somebody is opening your email, then what should be the next email? If somebody is not opening your email, what should be your next email? So you can have this drip, you can have this marketing automations for the emails done over here. So when it comes to ConvertKit, let us go ahead with the features. Again, ConvertKit is also providing landing pages, email sign-up forms. This is something like, your website will be having, or a landing page will be having something, email collection part, wherein you can say, subscribe to our newsletter or subscribe to our updates, in fact, and you can collect the audiences list. Those will be your email list, in fact, and you can send the continuous email to those customers. Email marketing. So when it comes to email marketing, we will see that they already have beautiful email templates, HTML templates. You can use that HTML templates, and you can click and drag. You can optimize. You can change it according to your need, and you are ready to go and broadcast your emails. Okay. Similarly, if we go ahead with active campaigns, just a moment. So when I go ahead with the active campaign, you can have the solutions, in fact. So they have email marketing, they have transactional emails, they have marketing automations, they have sales and CRM automations, sales engagement, and support, service and support part. So let me just talk about the marketing automations one. So marketing automation is something like you have a campaign going in social media, and you are getting some leads from the social media. Nurturing and converting those leads are difficult for, until and unless you don't have an automation, because you are expecting a lot of leads. So I have seen example wherein like companies, many startup companies, and along with that, I continuously go ahead and see the email marketing part. So what I have seen that people generally get lot of leads from social media. They will be saying that, okay, I'm getting hundreds and hundreds of lead every day, but it is something like we are only converting 2 or 3 customers. The reason being like rest of the customers are feeling disconnected. In fact, your team is not so vast or robust. In fact, to go ahead and touch base upon all the leads coming up, time is very vital. In fact, so suppose a lead is coming at 3 p.m. in the night, and your sales representative or the marketing team or the digital marketing team is sleeping at that time, and in the morning, if you are trying to call as per your priority to the customer, might be the customer must have forgotten about that he has already clicked on the link. So here the automation comes very handy. In fact, you can have your social media campaigns connected with active campaigns, in fact. And in active campaign, what will happen, like anybody at any point of the time, if they're clicking on the links, sending a lead request, your automation will automatically start over there. So how this automation work? suppose your first mail will be thank you for choosing us or thank you for showing interest. Then the next drip will be coming like, okay, do you want to know more about the company? Do you want to know more about the customer? If it is read, if it is unread, depending upon that, you can also have your automation. These automations are really vast, and you can use it for your like the automation maps are there, so you can use this automation maps to create your automation journey, right? Map pages, map links, and map shelves. So these are the different types of automations that can happen with ActiveCampaign. Okay, let us go to the next part. Now, there is something called as content marketing tools. So content marketing tools, in fact, I'll just go ahead with a SEO review tool. This is absolutely free to use. And this is a must-have tool for all the, like, I'm actually using it myself. So that is the reason I am saying that, as because it is free of cost, your team should definitely get on top of it. I'll just show it to you. So there are 60 real-time tools, in fact. So there are keyword tools, rank checker tools, backlink checkers, domain authority checker, website SEO checker, SEO writing assistance. So this is very handy actually. Duplicate content checker, content idea generator. So there are similarly 60 real-time tools which you don't have to pay anything. So suppose for an example, I go ahead with the keyword tools. I want to understand the keywords. Suppose how to treat diabetes. Okay, and I'm choosing India as the geography. And this tool, I'll just perform a check. This will be giving you the insight like what all links are already there. The total search volume is 390. Organic search volume is 951 million, in fact, in Google. The difficulty is 32. And apart from that, if you are going ahead with a paid campaign, CPC, cost per click, it will be approximately $0.21. So these are the different tools, and this will be giving you different suggestions, in fact, how to treat diabetes, how to treat COVID patient with diabetes at home. So these are the different buzzwords or the keywords which are getting searched by the patient over internet. So you get a very good idea about your keywords. And similarly, what you can do is like you can search it on YouTube, you can search it in Google, you can search it on Bing, you can search it on Amazon. So wherever it is there, so you can search it according to the channel also. Let me go to the next tool. Suppose this is a SEO writing assistant, in fact. So this is the editor, in fact. If you want to write your content, you are writing it in Microsoft Office or document. So instead of that, I would like to suggest you to go ahead and put up an article over here. You can create your keywords, and apart from that, you can have a page title, you can have a meta description over here. Once you click it, you will be getting your SEO optimization tip. So you should add a page title. The keyword focus is not available. So you can try to use this. This will be giving you a very much optimized content, ready to use content, and ready to publish content actually. The next tool over here, which is good, we can see it. The technical SEO, SEO authority, SEO content tool, and webmaster tool. So these are different tools. Keyword sourcer, and due to the time constant, it is already 11:53 now, so we will not be going to each and every individual tool. But yeah, SEO review tool, I want everyone to go ahead and review it. This is actually a good to have tool with you. The second one is copy.ai. Grammarly, many people must be knowing that it has a browser extension also. It help you in writing great content grammar wise. Similarly, when you go to copy AI or papertype.ai, so if I'm clicking on copy AI is very easy actually. If you are lacking your words, in fact, suppose I'll just go ahead. So sometime writing articles or writing a blog or writing a caption will be very difficult. So this type of automated AI tools will be helping you out. These are freemium tools starting with free, and they will be charging you per words of generations in some days. So suppose you want to have Instagram captions or a freestyle. So these are the favorite tools: blog, advertisement, startup tools. So suppose I want to go ahead with a brand mission statement. So in a brand mission statement, just a moment, let it open. We'll just click on favorite tools. Okay, so suppose brand, I just want to go ahead with Pharma State. So this is the brand name. I'll just describe best in India learning platform for pharma professionals. So what tone you want? You want it luxury, you want it relaxed, you want a professional, bold, adventurous, witty, whatever. I'm just typing it friendly and creating content. It will automatically generate the content like which I want to use in fact. To be the #1 learning platform of Indian pharma professional. This is the brand mission statement. To be one of the best digital learning tools for pharmacy professional in India. Our mission is to bring the best, simplest learning platform within the reach of every pharma professional in the company. To enable the pharma professional with tools that enable self-learning, accelerate them to change challenges in their fields and help them scale in their skills continuously. So these are the different suggestions which we get it, and these are non-plagiarized. In fact, these are not used anywhere else. So they will be giving you unique content. Similarly, they can generate an entire blog for you. They can generate entire article for you. They can generate social media campaigns, captions and statements for you also. So this type of tools, when you provide some information, they will be automatically providing you bulk content in fact. So copy.ai, and apart from that, papertype.ai, these are the same tools wherein AI, artificial intelligence, is used to write your articles in fact. The next one is Curator.com. So it helps your content velocity in fact. So if you have multiple contents, you can discover, curate and share relevant informations. So there is a curation software. You can view the demo and you like how to curate it, whether it is grammatically right or not, whether the contents are making sense, whether it is SEO friendly or not. So this tool help you out in generating and curating the contents in fact. Okay. Now, some video editing or video marketing tools, in fact. So videos are the most engaging ways to engage with your audiences nowadays. 60% videos, like people are preferring videos as a communication channel. So when it comes to video, creating a video is a costly affair, in fact, if you go ahead with the custom creations. So applications like Filmora, Beyond, Powtoons, VideoScribe, Vimeo, Animoto, these are the video creation tools. Yeah, nowadays Canva has also provided video creation tools. So you can use any of these tools to create free videos, animation videos. Powtoons are like some cartoons or animated videos. Vimeo is something like a YouTube channel wherein you can create your any kind of illustrative video, your own videos, editings and other things can happen. VideoScribe is also good tools. So all these things have a different intention, different type of videos. So it is on demand basis, good to have it. Now coming to the graphic designing tool. Yeah, the #1 graphic designing tool in the world today is Canva. It has really taken up Photoshop, like earlier Photoshop and CorelDRAW were there. So there was specific, talent and knowledge people were acquiring to design those graphics, in fact. Now with automation, something like Canva, anybody can be a designer. In fact, the design that I have created over here, it has been done with Canva. This is canva.com. So all these animations or PPT or presentations that I have been doing, it has been done with Canva, in fact. So when I go to canva.com, it is a very, very cost effective, very, very powerful tool, and to must have a tool for any of the marketers, in fact. In fact, if you are having your personal plans or personal social media accounts, you can create graphics, infographics, anything. See, so these are the different things: whiteboard, presentations, A4 documents, infographics, Instagram story, Facebook story, website, logo, graphs, and the list goes on, goes on, goes on. It is continuous. In fact, I am a big fan of Canva. I have been using Canva since last 5 years now, and I have been creating more than 5,000 plus designs with Canva. So these are some of the designs which I have already been using. I'll just show you. So these are all the designs, in fact, in Canva. Designing in Canva is very simple, very easy to use. You can also create a video in Canva. And the best part is, suppose I'm going ahead with the creating an Instagram story. And in the Instagram story, so this will be the size. Automatically, it will take up the size. It will have multiple templates in over here. Suppose you want to search any particular template. I'm searching festival. So these are, so suppose I am searching for 𝗘𝗱𝘂𝗰. So there are multiple templates. So suppose I am liking this template, I'll be taking it up, filling it up to 50%, happy 𝗘𝗱𝘂𝗰, and then I can easily create from PharmaState Academy. And the part is like I can have uploads. In uploads, I will be having multiple options. In fact, just go ahead with PharmaState logo, this one, and this. Okay, you can zoom to see your design. You can write anything. And now the beauty of Canva is also, like, if you want to schedule it on 𝗘𝗱𝘂𝗰, which is 5th of December, 5th of October, in fact. So you can have a schedule over here. You can go to 5th of October. You can schedule a time. In fact, the timing is like 11:01 a.m. Next, you can select a channel, whether a Facebook page, Facebook group, Instagram business, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn profile, anything. You can schedule it and you can forget about it. That same day, 11 o'clock, this message will be automatically going to your Facebook without any interventions. And this is also very useful for video creations. And this type of tools really empowers you to, create miracles, in fact. Okay. So Canva, 𝗘𝗱𝘂𝗰𝘁𝗿, stencils, Zippy. Zippy is something for GIF creations, any kind of motion images or motion images which convert into GIFs. You can create with Zippy. Adobe Express. So Adobe Express is a cloud application similar to Canva. Stencils is also a cloud application similar to Canva, wherein you can create excellent designs. Whatever you are liking, you can create it. So this type of tools actually help you cutting down the time. That time, perhaps you will be going ahead with the idea to your digital designer, and then you will be saying it. He will be sending you some iterations, and then you will be liking, not liking, and there will be a lot of time actually for creating one part. Instead of that, if you are empowered with a tool wherein you can design yourself, it will be becoming much more handy. So that's it from my side, team. In fact, I have shown you at least 40-45 tools as of now, and this will be handy in the PharmaState courses. You can come down for any of your reference, in fact, to these courses, not to these courses, to these tools. In fact, you can start designing it. You can feel empowered, in fact. Thank you very much. Now we can open this session to the question and answers, if any. Swati, sorry, we have taken a bit more time, but I hope it was like a brief and a crisp one to show ahead, like what all are the different tools available and how to make our marketing people to super marketing people, in fact, using this tool without depending upon any of the technical aspects, in fact. Swati, done.
Thank you. Thank you, Saurav. This was more of information and technical sort of session. And that is how I also see lesser of the questions being asked today. But yes, this was very important because pharma industry as a whole is starting to move from just advocacy to implementation in the digital tech space. And that is why we considered this session sort of gave us a lot of platforms, but from our side also, we do not endorse any of the platforms. We are just giving you an overview of what is available for your implementation. Okay, there's a query related to important slide images. This session is recorded live at YouTube and PharmaState Academy. So you can easily you can easily go through the whole session and get the important data from there. And before moving ahead, I'll take up questions. Before moving ahead, just a small announcement. You have seen all the tools, you are seeing the DTIP series, QR code, social media, and all the topics that we have covered. And few of queries and many companies which are looking forward to implementation in digital space are asking for course that is available. So I'll take a minute to show the course that is available at PharmaState Academy now. For the benefit of the group, I will just show you DigiPharma Pro. That is India's first pharma focused digital marketing certification course, and it is starting at around the end of the October. We have started sending the pre-read material, and if you are interested, you can join in. This will be very, very detailed course with 1 year hand holding for those who join. So a 4.5 months course, weekend course, 18 weeks, and pharma curated, precise and targeted syllabus. There will be peer-to-peer discussion with one-on-one mentoring. The educators are Sourav Das and Salil Kalyanpur. And the most important thing I would like to highlight is the 1 year support. So if you are starting something while doing this course, we will be there to support you and answer your queries on where we are going right or wrong, or what shall be done in the tech space for digital marketing campaigns. This link I'll post in the WhatsApp group and at chat here also for you to join, so you can join in at this course. And I'll now stop sharing and ask the questions that we have. Few technical questions have come, and one is from Mr. Ratnesh Shrivastava. He is asking, is Zoho handling with BTC business model? Saurav, if you are aware about this, I would like you to answer.
These are all the tools, in fact. So, in fact, the tools do not restrict on B2B or B2C. Zoho is available for B2B, B2C, both.
Okay. And I would request Mr. Ratnesh to also connect with Zoho team. I am again repeating, we do not endorse any of the tools that we have shown you today. We are just giving you information which could be helpful for the pharma marketing teams who are going ahead in the implementation stage of their digital marketing and digital social media. Next question is from Hardik Shah. Is there any platform which can help to reach the patients better for advocacy or awareness? Sort of your answer.
When you're talking about, there are many platforms actually. There are many platforms available in India, but when you're talking about patient platforms, social media will be one good one, wherein a lot of groups are already created for patient-centric group. You can have your communication placed over there by joining those groups, because that is the most penetrating things as of now in India. Either it is rural or semi-urban or urban or tier 2, tier 3 cities, in fact. So social media is one good platform, depending upon your specialty or which type of patient you want to engage, you can go ahead with Facebook groups, you can go ahead with Instagram. These are some of the better platforms to use. Apart from that, there are many other companies like telehealth companies, along with companies like MyRx. We are also dealing with prescriptions modules, in fact, for patients. So we have close to 25 million patients, in fact. If you want to put up your communications to the patients directly, so we are recently, like, starting from the next January itself, we are launching a platform wherein you can put your communications to your patients also. So there are other companies, other startups. Yes, all of them are doing good activities over here. And you will be seeing a lot of more companies coming up for patient-centric communication in coming days. But at this point of time, social media will be the best platforms. Instagram, YouTube, and apart from that, close groups in Facebook.
Thank you, Saurav. And as we understand that this space is now evolving, there would be, service providers available, and they would be building it up. So keep your eyes and ears open to all the things that are happening in this space. And I really respect this question, which Mr. Hardik Shah actually asked. He is moving towards the patients for awareness. Wonderful. Is Canva best for animation? So, Mr. Bilal, I think this is a personal choice. You want, we also use Canva. That we will say yes. But it depends.
It is all about our comforts, Swati. Once we have started using these tools, this was in the initial stage, and we have been using it for almost 5 to 6 years now. So our hands are already set in Canva. Apart from that, the tools have, like the features Canva has been providing, it is really, really good, in fact, and I'm not seeing any competitor close to Canva at this point of time. So that is the reason of a startup growing to a $20 billion industry, $20 billion company, Canva. So definitely they have that power, in fact. And definitely the person, the founder guy, Kawasaki, so he's exponentially well in delivering what he has dreamt of, in fact. So Canva, yes, I would be suggesting you can go ahead. And the best part of Canva is the price, in fact. It is not costing you, in fact, more than 5,000 rupees for 5 people per year also. So it is very, very, and it has a free version. So because we are using it, we are happy with that. So we are sharing our experience. But again, it's your choice.
Thank you. Thank you, Saurav. Okay, that's a very interesting question from Mr. Aditya Tiwari. Is as there are a lot of tools, can we have a tailor-made toolkit for pharma brand managers? So Aditya, I'll answer first. In the Digi Pharma Pro course, you will be handed over a toolkit, which is most effective and efficient. And you can join the course and get it hands-on on it also, right, Saurav?
Yeah, absolutely. Because see, what we say that not every tool will be fitting to every company. So every company is unique in itself. So somebody will be focusing on the videos, somebody will be focusing on the content part, some will be focusing on the blogs, in fact. So first and foremost thing, we need to understand, like, what is your prime agenda? What are your focus for the next 2 to 3 years as a company? And once we understand that, and depending upon your budget also, so there are a lot of tools which will be coming, costlier, which will be cheaper, in fact. So depending upon the budget, depending upon the requirement, you need to have a detailed consulting session. Maybe we can also do that, the consulting part, wherein we can suggest the best suited tools for you to go ahead for the digital marketing.
It depends all on your digital strategy, where you want to focus and how you want to move ahead. So tools are literally there. The right combination for your type means company would be the main area to target. Okay, sort of any idea of any tool? Mr. Swarup Chanda is asking to identify the right influencer and blogger for your business. Okay, so
social media bloggers and information. So we have social media influencer channels. So I have couple of names. I'm not reminding right now, but there is some company in Pune which is doing really good into the medical space. I'll give it to you after this call, baby. So I think there are so he is actually trying to search for influencers in the community. So influencer marketing, there are tools. I'm really forgetting the name, but I will give it to you for sure.
Sure, sure. So we've seen few companies who have, who have endorsers from even Bollywood or sports person who are, endorsing the
Bling
brand
is
for
one
those
company.
companies. Yes.
Yeah, Bling.
And
Spring
in
is
pharma
there.
also, I saw one ad at airport from 𝗘𝗱𝗂𝗰 pharma company, which created an ad for Dynapar, I think, with one of the sports persons. So I think that also.
Yes, I have seen that too.
Yes, so companies are moving towards it, and very happy to see companies pursuing a different route from the conventional routes that we have taken. At least we have started. Uh, there are a lot of questions related to the fee structure of this course and how about the content of the course. A request to every one of you: just Google Digi Pharma Pro, and you will get all the information. If you are joining in Teams, let us know. Write to us at academy@pharmastate.com. And if this is individual, it is available at the platform. So these are the questions which have been asked till now.
Okay, Budstream. Sorry, I remember that is a global company. Sort of the Budstream is one good one. I'll just quickly take it to you. So Budstream will help you connecting with more influencers and other things. So you can try this Budstream. This is although not an Indian company, but yeah, you can try to check this out. Budstream.
Wonderful. So there are service providers going in this
Yeah.
area.
So nothing is untouched as of now. So you think about it, there will be a tool, there will be a company doing it and trying to solve it.
Okay. Nikita has messaged, I have done MBA in pharmaceutical marketing, working with a company for 3 years in sales, and she wants to enter digital marketing in pharma industry as a freelancer. She wants to get clients, serve doctors and pharmaceutical companies. Wonderful, Nikita. Connect with us and let us have a chat over this.
Okay, one question, Swati, Mr. Priyadarshini, I suppose. We use a lot of images for slides, poster, print ads, of which many are from Google image itself. It is a bad practice actually to go ahead with Google images, copyright violations, and copyright violations can definitely come because you're representing a big company, in fact. So Google images, if you are not using, you can use Canva have millions of free images also. Second thing is, like, you can have pixels. I'm just showing it to you. Pixels.
Yeah, being in an industry which is really, compliance related industry, we should be very much aware. Even the digital marketing teams should be aware that Google images are not the right images. You can be sued for copyright and plagiarism and all those things. So please use paid platforms and get the free copyright free content for your
So Swati, I'll just take it to Pexels. Pexels is actually having multiple free images. So they have at least, I suppose, 4 to 5 million free images as of now into everything. So if you are going ahead with diabetes, so you can have all this type of images, and these are free to use, and there will be some premium images in the bottom, in fact, and you can use you can go ahead and purchase it. The beauty of this Pexel is, like, you can download it. There is free download, and you can download as per your original and custom size also. So suppose in the original size is 5607 and 3376, you want it into a bigger size also for a print media or outdoor media, you can select a custom size, you can download it. The resolution is absolutely good. They are in a donation model, and the license part, if you take it up, so what is allowed, all the photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the photographer or Pexel is not necessary, but always appreciated. You can modify the photos and videos from Pexel. Be creative to edit them as you like. So this is something for all the pharma friends. In fact, Pexel is one good one. Try to take it up. Advising, like one advice is, don't use the image as it is. So suppose for an example, I am taking this diabetes image. So this image can be used by multiple companies also. Just try to edit this image and put some logos for you and some contents of your company so that that image will be unique to the company for the using.
Wonderful.
Right.
Okay. Any further questions, please type in chat. And
or you can raise your hand, we'll unmute you, and then you can have the discussion. If anyone wants to have a discussion, you can raise your hand.
I'm really proud of this group because this was a technical session with a lot of information, and these are the people who want to at least explore what is happening in digital space. Pharma is the last industry to actually go to the digital space and do things. But really proud of this group who joined in and are trying to find the answers to whatever they are wanting to do in this space. So
Okay, Nikita Gupta has raised a hand, so you can ask. I have unmuted you.
Yes. Hi, my name is Nikita. I've also asked in the chat. Actually, I've done sales in Sanofi and Abbott, both the companies. But now I want to start my freelance career in digital marketing. But the thing is, I am not understanding from where will I get the client? What will be the starting point? So can anyone guide on that?
Yes.
That's a good question. In fact, see, you are asking about as a freelancer to work, right?
Yes.
Nikita, you can get back to us. We do have a lot of activities, in fact, which we can outsource to you. Let us keep it, you know, away from this session. We can have it in the offline, in fact.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so if anyone else is having any query, you can raise your hand. Till that, there is a question: e-certificate provided or not? So yes, there is a certificate that will be provided. We have made the process automated. So what will happen after the session? We'll share you a link of the course. You can go there and automatically download the certificate. So we have made the process automatic, so that we don't have to, or you don't have to try anything else. Simply go to the course, just follow the process and download the certificate yourself, and then share wherever you like. So we'll share the link of the course.
Sure. And Abhishek from DocPlexus has asked, shall marketing manager include these in their L&D of pharma, or better to hire agency for time saving? I think, Abhishek, everyone should be left to their own choice. If they want to develop, in-house strength, that is also good. If you want to, outsource, that is also wonderful. Sort of your take on this.
You have answered it, in fact. So Abhishek, being from DocPlexus, I believe DocPlexus is providing this type of services. It is really good to have a team like DocPlexus, which has been significant actually in providing the services to the industry. So choice is for pharma companies. In fact, if they want to develop the capabilities in-house, they can develop it. If they want to hire somebody from outside, they can definitely choose to do that. No comments apart from this.
Already endorsed you, Abhishek. So
yes.
Right. Any more questions? So let us close this session today. We understand that this will be a topic. There will be topics which are new to the industry. This was a topic which is new to the industry. Few of the tech savvy guys would be highly interested in this, but majority of you, it would be a start to what you want to do in the digital space. And the next session, we invite you to register. We will start taking the registrations for the next session. In case you have already just registered for DTips, do not register, because you all are getting the mails from day one, who has registered from day one of the DTech series. Next session is coming up, revamping your field force management app for digital working model. This is a changing scenario, and we will tell you the dates for the next session. Aditya, you have raised hand. Let us take up a question and then close up.
Hello.
Yeah, Aditya.
Yeah, Aditya.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yeah, being a brand manager, it's like, see, you have to look into the lot of aspects, science, then marketing, data, UX. So can we have a course like, we are aware of the digital marketing tools which are there, so that suppose in-house some digital team is there. So it is not that we are blank. We know about the marketing, digital marketing, so we can also have our ideas, told to that digital team. So that way, some course can be designed that we are aware of the tool, but we don't have to dwell down much into, that implementation of that tool.
I didn't get the point actually, Aditya. Let me rephrase the question. So you are asking, like, you already have a digital team who is taking off all your designing and along with the strategy part, and you are looking for some courses to train those digital team or for the brand manager team?
No. For the brand managers, they already know. The digital team are already well versed with
yes, we already have some courses. Curated courses are already there. We do it on a physical model as well as a virtual model also, whatever is feasible. 2 days workshop wherein we completely now in fact this digital tool training is also going in Vietnam, and I would like to say that Swati is sitting in Vietnam and conducting this webinar today. So this similar kind of training is also going in Vietnam today with one Bangladesh company, and this type of tools can be curated and the content can be used for by you also. This can be done. I would request you to get in touch with Swati or Satish after this call.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya.
So Swati, before we end, many people are asking about the certificate as well as recording. So I'll just share how to do that in just 1 minute so that everyone is having an idea. So I'm just sharing my screen to show how it is. So for example, about the recording and the certificate, it is very simple. We have automated the process. Simply, you have to go on the PharmaState Academy and search for the course name. For example, this particular session, for example, the keyword is tool. So this is the search result. You just click over it. This course will open, or we'll share the link of the course also so that you land directly on this page. So after doing this, what you have to do, you have to enroll in this course. It will be free of course, and you have to just enroll into this course. And after enrolling, you have to complete the lessons. Inside there are lessons that you have to complete. So once you click on continue learning, you will see there are chapters. So this was the Zoom link for today's session. And about the recording, you will see the live recording is here only. Okay, so you can go through it, and later after 2-3 days you will find that we will convert this particular recording into a course by breaking it into smaller parts and removing all the unnecessary steps. So it will be very clean recording available after 2 to 3 days. So after doing this, what you can do, you can go here and you will find this particular thing like complete course button will be there. Just click over that and this course certificate will appear. Just click over this, and this will take you to the next page where it will generate a certificate for you for this session. So just give it about 30 seconds to 1 minute time. It will generate the certificate, and after that you can download in the form of JPG, PDF, whatever you like. So this is how we have done this, and then you can share it wherever you want. And this particular certificate will be verified certificate. There will be a QR code in this. So this particular link is fixed for this particular certificate so that you share it anywhere. One can verify, if you just scan this QR code, it will land on this particular certificate page only. So this will be for you only. Signed, stamped certificate will be there. So you can automatically do it. So now you can see that how we are adopting this automatization model to reduce our workload. We have done all the things automatic. Whenever you are registering, that is automatic. All the emails we send to you are automatic. When you are attending this session, there we have the human implementation where we come live, but after that everything happening will be automatic. So it reduces a lot of work pressure and also reduces a lot of cost for us. So you can also adopt technology for betterment of your business process.
Thank you.
I think Aditya has again raised the hand, I suppose.
Okay.
Maybe Mr. Aditya, you want to ask something?
No, sorry. Actually, I'm driving, so that by
Acha,
mistake.
okay.
No problems.
Thank you.
So this session shall end here. We are here to support you in your digital strategies also, and whatever training, learning, and development you require from Pharma side, we are here to support you. Connect with us whenever you feel the need for a continuous learning and development activity to help to occur in your company or for your personal growth also.
Swati, one more question has come. Like someone is asking about the earlier sessions. I'll just share once more the screen so that everyone gets an idea. So
yes, training is necessary, Satish.
Yeah,
so you will have to train.
I'm just sharing this. All the sessions. It is a series of 12 sessions. Throughout the year we have distributed. Every month we are having one session. So 12 sessions will be there. So this is the link of the page. What we have done, we have created a learning path. So what you can do, you can go on this page and then you will see all the completed session. The earlier 5 sessions, for example, are here. You can go enroll to them. All are free for you. You can enroll and just go through them anytime. All the recordings are there. And there are upcoming sessions. Like for example, this is today's session. Once the session is over, within 2 to 3 days, we will be adding this in the form of course. And then here the 7th session, 8th session, everything is there. So you can go to this page and get all access to all the earlier sessions of this series.
Sure. Thank you so much. Sessions are available. Information is now available for you. All the digital geeks there in pharma marketing, you should go through these sessions. A lot of information and help will be provided to you in these recordings. Thank you, Sourav, for being our partner in this space, and a lot to come from your side also in the pharma space. We really appreciate you sharing the knowledge that you have gained throughout the years working with healthcare and digital also, and keep enlightening us with more such sessions. And thank you the participants who joined us today and showed enthusiasm. You are a family now, and we will keep bringing sessions of knowledge for you. Send us your suggestions. As I always ask, if you are asking us, that would be better rather than we giving you some topics. So send us your suggestions, which will help you, in this pharma digital space, or even pharma space for that matter. Thank you so much for joining us today.
So
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sourav.
Yeah.
And for the suggestions part, I have posted one feedback form in the chat. So what you can do, you can leave the meeting by just clicking on the link in the chat box for the feedback form. Just provide your actual feedback, the candid feedback, so that it helps us in improving further the sessions, and also provide the topics which you would like to learn from the educators of the pharma industry. So you just can use that link and leave the session. We'll be ending the session now.
Yes, and lastly, wishing you a very, very happy festive season. In fact, wishing you a happy Dussehra. And perhaps we'll be meeting before Diwali, in fact. So I'm keeping this Diwali wishes for the next session.
Wonderful.
Great.
Thank you, Sourav.
Thank
Take
you.
care, everyone. Yeah.
Good day.
Bye,
Good
everyone.
day.
So now I'm ending the session. You can click over the link in the chat box and can have a great day. Bye.